Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to post a traveling status on Facebook. So, let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Now, at the top of your home screen, tap on What's on Your Mind to create a new post. Here, you can write your traveling status. For example, you can type something like exploring new places or on a trip to the mountains. After writing your caption, tap on Done at the top right corner. Next, if you want to add photos or videos from your trip, tap on the gallery option and select your media. You can also tap on Check In to add your location. Simply search for the place you're visiting and select it. To make your post more interesting, tap on Feeling/Activity and choose Traveling or any activity you like. Once everything is ready, tap on the Post button. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.